We're not okay. I look into your eyes and see you fade away. But we're not the same. It's like we're on
All right, it's July 5th. It's about 5:45 in the morning. Doing something a little bit different this morning. I had to come out to work, and work is about 10 miles from my house. So I'm just riding easy right now. I plan to do another MVDP challenge effort. I think it's been about 1.5 months or so since I did my last one. I think 580 watts was my 1 minute power. So I'm gonna try to tap that today. See if I can get close to 600 again. I mean, who knows? But I haven't really been doing any training towards this, but I've been feeling pretty good on the bike recently, so we'll see how it all goes. So I had a sprint workout on the schedule today. It's supposed to be 8 all-out sprints spaced out by 3 minutes each. I was gonna do that hopefully with Nick, but Nick went for a trail run for the first time in a long time, I think. That was yesterday, and he let us know that he tweaked his ankle while doing that, so that kind of sucks for him. Yeah, hope he gets better soon. So he said he would take maybe a week or 2 of rest. One of the variables that I can control for is obviously doing my MVDP effort on the same stretch of road, so I'm going back there, which is near my house. Yeah, I might have to open up the legs a little bit before I actually do it though.
I just wanna lose
So that's something I couldn't do until recently. I did find a little tip from Nick that helped me out a lot. If you want to know what the tip is, I'm still pretty bad at it. I'm only comfortable doing it for maybe 5 to 10 seconds or so. But gonna keep working on it. Gotta improve all our skills. A cute little waterfront town called Occoquan.
Little town, it's a quiet village. Every day, like the one before. Little town, full of little people.
Just kidding, I don't know if they're little. New YouTube channel, The Singing Cyclist. Nobody wants to hear me sing. Good morning.
Morning.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable.
Morning.
So original.
What kind of fish do you get here?
Bass.
Bass?
I fish for bass here. They
Okay.
got some big ones.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How big?
I've caught, I think my highest PB here is probably like a 6-7 pounder.
Oh wow, that's actually pretty big.
Yeah, on the rattle trap.
Cool. Have fun, man.
I appreciate it.
Yeah. I don't know the history of Occoquan, but it's pretty nice.
Legs don't feel perfect, but when do they ever? Let's do it.
Oh, 600 is so close I can taste it. I want it so badly. So, for the first 30 seconds of that, I averaged 5:15 about. I'm gonna try to push it up to 5:40 or so and see if I can gut it out. And I'm going all in. Well, like all in. You know when you're at the poker table and you have your entire stack and you shove it in, but there's that $1 chip that's right in front of you that you were gonna use to tip the server later? I'm putting that one in there too.
Come on. Nope. Painful. Zach, I hate you. But not really.